Tired of your crypto just sitting in your account? Today, we're unlocking the power to spend your cryptocurrency in the real world by activating your Coinbase debit card. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or go to Coinbase.com on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the card tab on the bottom navigation bar of the app. It's usually located between the trade and pay options. If you're on a computer, you'll find it in the left-hand sidebar. Tap or click on it. This will take you to the card management section. You should see a prominent button labeled Activate Card. Go ahead and tap or click that. Now, Coinbase will ask you to verify your identity. You'll be prompted to enter the last 4 digits of your physical Coinbase card. Type them in carefully. Next, enter the PIN you created when you applied for the card. Remember, this is a security measure, so keep your PIN safe and don't share it with anyone. After entering your PIN, Coinbase will verify the information. If everything matches, you'll see a confirmation message that your card is now activated. Congratulations! You can now use your Coinbase card anywhere Visa is accepted. You can also manage your card settings, track your spending, and view your transaction history right here in the app. Don't forget to explore any available rewards or cashback programs associated with your card to get the most out of your crypto spending. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the seamless integration of your crypto assets into your everyday life. Be sure to keep your card details and PIN secure. Happy spending!